Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert images in OneNote Desktop. This is a fundamental skill that'll help you create more visual and organized notes, whether you're working on projects, taking class notes, or organizing personal information. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once your notebook has been loaded, you'll notice that the process to insert images in OneNote Desktop is pretty straightforward. Look at the top part of your screen where your menus and tools are located. From the list of options, click on the Insert menu. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to add external content to your notes. Once the Insert menu has opened, you'll see various tools that help you add external files or data to your OneNote page. From here, click on the Pictures option. This will present you with 3 different ways on how you can add images to your OneNote page. You'll have the option to insert through File, Camera, and Online, which is the URL or link upload method. Each option serves a different purpose depending on where your image is stored. For this tutorial, we'll simply use the From File option. Click on From File and a File Explorer window will appear. This window allows you to browse through your computer's folders to locate the image you want to insert. Navigate through your folders and select the image you wish to insert to your OneNote page. Click on it to select it, then click on Insert at the bottom of the window. And that's it. Your image will now appear on your OneNote page, ready to be resized, moved, or annotated as needed. You've successfully inserted an image into OneNote Desktop, making your notes more visual and easier to reference. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.